na so see who atiase ye nya sa
ye na munya de
afi send the normal to say ya de see who atiase yi e ma sa da
me no be platform yi so
na MPP for the bia mo mpa ya mo ba no say economy nkuyi kombenya senkeration Ukraine wo nke ntuomu a na ye ho nkyere se de be ya we ka so NDC ye ba ya anya de kombenya nke dum si sa na enye na so see who atiase no so enye sa da o mampani say eye upgrade any eye watching what's it no na more focus ne emphasis no ewo cables so de kra de begu habo kra mpo a yintimi kra yi ni e kra gum na fe gu ho na de muro ya chi no na de ya fe ebi kra ye pe bi kra na ehu ba bi e biafa enti for some time no transformers no ebi ayi ebi aye dada ena ebi susu na ho den aye overloaded she say na ho den tumi adwuma ya wo moye enu nti ni yakra 2500 see e ba be replace the age dia ni omo aye overload anas overloaded se ne be ya ye ho betumi atoye asem no ti na oka say ye ma timetable even though see a ma definite timetable kra me mahu so my publication ya o mo ache places a ya upgrade na ye no e betimi aka no e bi ada menua isha ko nhunu ya
me ho de dia bibia meto o so dum
me de me mahu say wala ma henam say bi a so
I fan cry
Accra o maka
there's a timetable from some places in Accra.
Yes, in Accra.
At this time, at this time,
but majority of the places with no timetable.
Timetable. But at least host no watch some.
There are timetables in Accra. Kumasi na ni bi
said you kind yes and it. And a fake Kumasi has a kurampo no. Ye areas so Americans in ma enomni ade wo match no so no o mo ye upgrade. Eno ntino na enkanea no edundum no. But of course ye ho no de nya timetable bia nti me megitum say dumso no de yade aya hadwene but obi adwene na say dumso no ba betna so ne be ye to ba wo de da bia wo ne MPP ni hia esan say aba ya ye to ye no sane a enkugu omu di ye no je say adane wo mo ye so obi abo na ya won entasentase wo kofa abo we na wo de ato ho wo kofa abo we now they are to ho e no ne ka say obi abọ amena timu na bia won tasentase woni ni ko chia ya wo de mpa ya wo bo no say no mango say the year 2028 chesa mumu de bibie no amodwene ho sabato ya e betu the year 2028
China okay
mu de bibie no amodwene ho say e no ma be ko yie e de ma Ghana fo nyina de mo dwene ho say e bia say dumso na aba ye betumi ahihye no ma say de be ya ho beto e mo de mo dwene ho wo be say dumso ntena ho say Russia Ukraine war no say
Iran
Israel ni America ni Iran entokwa ya abai mu de nyam mpa ya mo bo ne say entokwa no to betwa ne china ama ye nyina ye ho atoye wo de mpa ya mo bo ne say entokwa no ntena ho a say de be ye ho betire ne de year 2028 mazaba ene ne agro na mudi because see ewu atiase sa no ma we nyina to betwa dama Ghana fo hunu nsunsu ye da NDC ni MPP fo
dama ne si wona so
well
wo de to papa
yemra MPRA for omu issue no so. Well, as if why a fine gentleman, me a foot one of the man was so so done on home. I Okujeta Blackwa. What you do because Okujeta Blackwa or no research you and son or the Biba out or the about. Now say a bassa would a no Biba out, no Bibu yes, I net yet. It will be some yes, I net yet. Nature say, who fail it. Na eye nan saying o ka bibi say me ankasa minua ne oye MPRA chief executive here no one officer and the member say body Chris okotna ho within 1 year kra amba 2025 Jama February why ni salary why there wa double ni salary yehwe mu ne nya sa na tie se mu abai breso ene sa no mani nyina mo yeye enye wono no oba ya oba beye na wa akra hu say enye probable say waba na February say wo waba betna konwa so ya to aba na 20 February waba kito ono kra sa atan kra no wo he oh
January ne take effect or no ba February
January ne take
September a committee has approved the salaries and it took effect.
O ma yen me die ntia ya o fra me ameba ene mani ju program nyina enu ani o obi wo ho a anka ne wo ka ye ene ne me kan o ti hodin ho nya no onka bibibia ma atiefuo yo atiefuo kura hu ne wo ka no kura ne de onka no kura de me ka ro te aste e sa wo ko en kwa no akwa wo su ta because we ya ka ne de de ye kura na e no kura
no coin na ma approve
sir
it took effect
o ma ye me say so from higher na bibia ya me ye bia me ja na ma ba because me ba me fi say ba me ba en faso aba so baba bi wo kura wo kwa faso bi ni so we isaka yire ne ho wabubo mu aka ne de
isaka bubo wa
wonu so de oba ha ni aka sempa say ya manfo na me so ma yire no makwan ya me kwan wi a onu bubo me so me kwan say de okwan ne ne obubo mu de yen na e nokre na tiefu o mo aye confused wahu enye nokre enti asafua so person oda ne ho okujeta black wa no onye okujeta black papa say de be ya ne party na ni mu ase anya sa da bia wo de beba na fe ye be hwehwemu no nya sa na tie well say de ye kai say omo say omo kwa RTI mra no e kire say wo kura ubu sa bibi na say o ya mfa ma ye fan ne I'm so you're very much aware of that.
Yeah.
Say who information near more time. This information one farmer. RTI no e find o say information one farmer. Until you what ya all can. Say and now say propaganda no aya ne party ye no aya no ti ha. Why don't know we be no. Me hu ni opeso kire. Information be na wo pe. Say de waje atumu o ma hine say de make and say sanity. Say who information from all the far RTI so now open information if you baby na RTI for more time na say that time no pa ho kura na
you find MPR
so ombe fa ho mo enti di ote haya oka si omo information ni emfa ma wo no it's neither here nor there e bia na sa information no emra emma ho kwan say o de ma wenye yie otherwise no me hu die enti
emra no so chesa there are certain near be hold ma it is
not put it out so the minimum wenye yie
I say RTI here baby Ghana police at one point in time they find them Minister of Education we will find them video chef is 100,000
but only my dear you see I see a loophole here in the sense if I know that information will be injurious and if it comes to the public I will withhold it and pay
the penalty.
It's me feel say, and no there you can't blame MPR. Me feel say the law should have a second look because some way me pass them the information. When you say information, if you are from so from what the money and then I make sure go about tonight a bad day and no go be who for my hand but that time my mind day
metia na
mako but does the law say utia we are still also providing
it is no na see
then America said after the fine you will be forced to provide and I say when you pay the fine you are done what you are fine double jeopardy that is which is wrong
reason why we need anti-corruption no one no the no ba ho so ba we ade no enye ona betima kata so what I say because we need to move the point here. If it may see at the end, no, you for break aggressive loopholes. Because nipa de
loopholes.
Nipa. Oh man, call break loopholes.
Oh man, me feel say, mere propaganda. And omo person obi a ti say CBB koso NPRA ne yesi omo ye busa information omo mfa maye me feel say sa na tie. Now so we jam me here ono propaganda adwuma no de obeyere ho no aye sa but I am there so wo ba mu na wo cheche no ma mo bi ahu say de asem no say de yesiko you see enti de me can say information be na mo pe ya mo de call ya omo so omo mfa ma mo because emra no say ebusa information na say wo de mo no amfa ma wo mo a ye fine no but no na me no ye nyina ye hwehwem ni ye hu say ata fine no say na tie na nipa no wa fa no adi na chese information no atna so ana me nyini say ana tie because bibia ni ho a ye nyina meminu nyina no ye emra ana ye law kakra e wo tech no say wo ye bibi na sade ne nye ne ye fan ne wa ubetumi atoa so no aye sade no bibia ni ho a ye emra bia ni ho a ye kire sa so wuntimi ntoa so na wo nya adibone a wa ya dey ya twenwa so wo ho no ubetumi atoa so aka se sade no wo ye emra bia ni e wo babia not even Ghana and after babia we as babia ya e kire se ade aya wo ye no wo ye ade bi yes say
it's like this.